Hello Bladers. Where do you usually have your car washed? Is it at your garage? Or you prefer your local car wash? If you do so, you might want to check out this video. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. How much should you tip your local car wash? As we all know, one of the establishments where tipping is expected is at the car wash. The customer's tip can depend on several factors like the price of the service, the size of the vehicle, how satisfied the customer is, and if this is the usual personnel who serves them. Most of the time, the customer will just tip the attendant with whatever paper bill he or she can fish from his pocket first. It will also depend on the size of the vehicle, since it would require more materials, labor, water and time. Usually four-door sedans and hatchbacks are common in the city. If you ordered the basic service of a plain wash with shampoo and a cloth drying procedure, 30 pesos should be fine. If there's more than one attendant cleaning your car, you can opt to split the amount with both of them. If you're feeling generous, you can give them both an individual tip. Depends on how satisfied you are with their service. Full service means full-on cleaning service. Typically involves multiple processes. It usually starts from cleaning the inside and outside of the car, including vacuuming. The attendants may also clean under the hood if you ordered a service that includes that. So tips can be higher this time around. For additional services, the usual services that most car wash shops offer are wash and vacuuming services. Although these are the most necessary steps to get a squeaky clean car, there are also other services that you can avail to make your ride look and sometimes smell even better. One is car polishing. Every vehicle out there is made with multiple layers of exterior coating. A polishing service buffs the topmost layer of your vehicle. The tools and devices used in polishing are designed to have abrasive agents. These are responsible for reacting with your car's top coat layer. Next is car waxing. You can also spare some money for car waxing. Once your vehicle is polished, you can have it waxed next. The wax will act as a thin, protective coating on the exterior of your car. For detailing services and you are fully satisfied with the job, around 50 pesos to 100 pesos tip should be fine. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the services you've availed from your local car wash? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.